Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to verify your BetMGM account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in BetMGM. Once you press enter, you'll get this kind of results. From this, click on the first link, then it will ask you to select your location. So from this list, select your location. Once you're on this page, you have to create a new account. To create a new account, all you have to do is click on this register button at the top right corner and then follow the procedure. Once you have created a new account, click on this login button, then enter your login credentials. Once you have done so, click on this login button and automatically it will show you this form. So on this form, you'll have to enter your details correctly. For example, you'll have to enter your full name, your date of birth, your social security number, and your address. So enter these details, then click on this verify my account. Once you complete that step correctly, your account will be verified. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.